Here we are, in the middle of the forest, in the middle of Sweden. Predicting maintenance is extremely important when we talk about these applications. Take a simple thing like towing, it's almost impossible. What do you think happens if you get a 1 hour stop? It means 200 trees will not get cut and 400 trees will not get planted. And imagine how many trees that is. In order to maximize the productivity on this machine, load acceptance is the key. On top of this, we've cut fuel consumption, so the combination of increased productivity and decreased fuel consumption is extremely beneficial both for the operator and for the environment. We've talked about two important features. One, predictive maintenance, the other, load acceptance and improving productivity in the machine. But the new Stage 5 platform is going to offer more, much more.